Hi there, my name is Jackie and I'm the Customer Success Manager here at PingUp. Today we're going to be going through an often overlooked part of operating a small business, claiming and managing your listings on the major search engines. Studies show that 81% of consumers use search engines to find a local service. This means that as a business owner, having accurate information is vital. 50% of consumers who conducted a local search on their smartphones visited a business within a day. So that brings us to our next point. Do you know if you have claimed your listings? 56% of local retailers have not claimed their Google My Business listing, and over 82% haven't claimed a business listing on Bing, which is used for 1 in 5 US web searches. Claimed and verified listings will show up higher in the search results for free. No need for fancy SEO tools that will cost you a ton. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to claim your listing on Google, Yahoo, and Bing. It only takes about 5 minutes and requires simple searches on your computer. Let's get started with Google My Business. Head over to Google in your browser or go to the address bar if you're using Google Chrome and search for your business. If you do in fact have a GMB listing, it will appear on the right-hand side with the name, reviews, hours, etc. To claim it, you will see Own This Business underneath the details. Quick side note, if your business does not appear in the right-hand side results, you can create a listing by heading over to business.google.com. So back to claiming. After clicking on Own This Business, a screen will pop up with the information that Google has. Click the box that states you are authorized to manage the business. If something is wrong, you can correct it later. Your next step would be to verify your business. Depending on Google's algorithm, you may have any number of options or ways to verify your business, although it is typically done by mail, which can take about 2 weeks. And that's really all it takes. You now have access to your GMB dashboard where you can update your hours, add photos, and manage information. Next, we'll go over Bing. Bing uses something called Bing Places, where you can easily search for your listing using an address or phone number. Bing makes it very straightforward. Either you will have a listing to claim and edit, or you will be prompted to create a new one. After that, you will be prompted to log into an account of your choosing. After that, you can follow the steps to edit or create your listing. The last step is to verify. Just like Google, typically this is done via regular mail, but you may have the option to get a phone call if Bing has your business number in their system. And that's it for Bing. You've successfully claimed your business. Finally, we'll take a look at Yahoo. Yahoo uses Yext, an additional service, to help you claim your listing. It may look like you will have to pay to claim, but that's not the case. Fill in your details on the home screen and click Find My Listings. Yext does a quick scan, finding a match for your details across the internet. Click on Continue at the top to move through the process. Next, you'll fill in your business information. When you get to this page, you'll want to scroll all the way down past Plan Selection and click on Claim Your Basic Listing Only on Yahoo. This will get you to the free option. If you want to use Yext, by all means, but you do not have to purchase anything. You're going to be asked one last time to verify everything, and then you'll be all set. Yahoo should send you a verification email that requires you to sign into an account. As you can see, it's super easy to make sure you're searchable across the internet. So why not take it up a notch and add PingUp Bookable to your listings? Allow customers to request your services directly from Google, Bing, and Yahoo. We can help you gain access to those customers searching for services like yours every day by syndicating a Book Now button across multiple search engines. We also give you your own booking URL, which lists your services offered as well as descriptions and prices. Thank you guys so much for attending this webinar. If you're interested in PingUp Bookable, ask me how you can get started today.